In every relation, every situation, we have 6 choices. Based on these 6 choices, humans fall into one of the following 6 categories, ranging from toxic individuals to saintly. Category 1, super toxic. I see only bad. Category 2, toxic. I see little bad and magnify. Category 3, destructive. I see good and bad, but accept the bad. Category 4, noble. I see good and bad, but accept only good. Category 5, gems. I see only good. Category 6, saints. I see little good and magnify. So pause and test yourself. Which category do you fall into? Hare Krishna.